Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's virtual book nook. Today, we're going to be reading the book called Monkey with a Tool Belt and the Seaside Shenanigans. This book is by Chris Monroe. Who's Chris Monroe? Yes, he is the author. And what does the author do? Yes, he writes the words. Based on the title of this book, what do you think this book is going to be about? Great observation. Let's find out. Chico Bonbon was fixing a sprinkler on a hot summer day. Look, he's using a screwdriver as a tool to fix his sprinkler. The sprinkler had been spraying too much water. Then it stopped spraying. Chico took a closer look. This may require some fixing, he said. Chico had all the tools for the job in a little toolbox tucked in his tool belt. Chocket, sprocket, 3-inch socket, drip stopper, water dropper, whack-a-doodle, glue, plumber's putty, putty buddy, monkey putty, goo, wham hammer, purple stuff, squeezy, plumbaroo, mini wrench, micro mini pliers, rubber duck extractor, doll remover, dryers, washers, squasher, bassin wrench, mosher, leak detector, toy detector, duct tape, splasher, goose tape, extra tape, tape remover, snake, a coom ball, gumball, radiator rake. The sprinkler was soon working again. Just then, the mail kitty rode up. It was a postcard from Clark. He was on vacation at his uncle's seaside resort. The postcard read, "Dear Chico, please come to the beach. We need your help at my uncle's resort. Things are breaking. Please come soon. Your friend Clark. P.S. Also, we can go surfing. The waves here are sweet." "I think I will go to the beach, though, Chico Bonbon. They definitely need my help." Chico was also a big fan of surfing. He packed his bags and called for a ride. Off they went. But they had a few problems along the road. A tire on the rickshaw went flat and fell over. Chico fixed it with air, spearmint gum, and some clover. A frog on a bicycle went in the ditch. Chico rescued his bike with balloons and a hitch. They stopped at a drive-in to eat some burritos. He fixed a torn screen to keep out the mosquitoes. Their root beer dispenser was having some trouble. He loosened a nut and out popped a bubble. Soon they arrived at the beach. The rickshaw driver said goodbye and peeled off. Chico looked around. The resort looked amazing. Clark came walking up the beach. He was wearing a Hawaiian shirt, Hawaiian shorts, and a Hawaiian visor. He had forgotten his tool belt at home. "Hey, Chico, am I ever glad to see you. Something is running amok and we don't know what it is." Chico was glad to see his old friend, but his outfit made it a little bit hard to focus. We're going to pause on this book and we're going to read some more tomorrow. And I want you to think, how might Chico help him fix his island? See you next time for another great read aloud.